Hi everyone, I'm Evelyn. Today, Evelyn is sharing with you a ripple lace scarf with gentle curves. The edge looks like ripples on water. Just follow the drape of the scarf and your mood. Wrap it casually around your neck and shoulders or drape it over your shoulders. The lace will naturally fall into soft lines, creating different styles. Let's crochet it together. The yarn used is a single color gradient long staple yarn. One skein is 200 grams. The long version uses one full skein of 200 grams. And if you crochet the short version, it uses 160 grams, paired with a 5 mm crochet hook. Additionally, prepare 2 buttons with a diameter of 2 cm. Long version, 30 cm times 110 cm. The finished product's dimensions are shown in the picture, for your reference. This scarf uses only basic stitch techniques. The crocheting method is simple. First, chain to begin. Foundation row, 49 chain stitches. The number of chains is a multiple of 4 plus 1. The foundation row determines the width of the scarf. End of foundation row. First row. Chain 3 to begin. We consider these 3 chains as the first double crochet, and place a stitch marker on the top chain. The stitch marker goes through both loops of the chain stitch. Then chain 1. Count back. On the 7th chain from the end. Starting from the 7th chain from the end, work 1 double crochet. One chain. Skip 1 stitch. Repeat the content in brackets 7 times. Then switch from double crochet to half double crochet. Work the content in brackets. 1 half double crochet. 1 chain. Skip 1 stitch. Repeat twice. Then transition to single crochet. Work the next bracketed content. 1 single crochet. 1 chain. Skip 1 stitch. Repeat twice. Now we're at the center of the piece. Work a slip stitch. Place a stitch marker on both loops of the slip stitch, to make it easier to identify this stitch when working the next row. Then chain 1. Skip 1 stitch. Start working symmetrically from the next stitch, on the right side of the piece. Work 1 single crochet, 1 chain, skip 1 stitch twice. Then 1 half double crochet, 1 chain, skip 1 stitch twice. Followed by 1 double crochet, 1 chain, skip 1 stitch. Repeat 7 times. After repeating 1 double crochet, 1 chain, skip 1 stitch 7 times. 1 stitch remains. Work 1 double crochet in the last stitch. Finish this row. This creates a piece that's wider at both ends and narrower in the middle. Turn the work for the second row. Chain 3 is beginning chain, which counts as the first double crochet. Place a stitch marker on the double crochet formed by the 3 chains. Place a stitch marker. Then 1 chain. This is the first double crochet. When working subsequent double crochets, you can directly correspond to the double crochet stitches. Skip one stitch. Directly find the next double crochet stitch. Crochet the double crochet and chain in brackets. Skip one stitch. Skip one stitch. The skipped stitch corresponds to the chain from the previous row. Repeat the bracketed section 7 times. Then 1/2 double crochet. The half double crochet you're crocheting here will also correspond to the half double crochet from the previous row. 1 chain, skip 1 stitch, repeat twice. Then single crochet, chain, and skip 1 stitch. Repeat twice. The single crochet here is also worked into the single crochet stitch from the previous row. Now you've reached the center of the piece. Pick up both loops of the slip stitch. Crochet another slip stitch. Then place the stitch marker back. One chain. Skip 1 stitch. Continue symmetrically towards the right end of the piece. Work single crochets, chains, and skip 1 stitch twice. Then transition to half double crochets, 1 chain, and skip 1 stitch twice. Finally, double crochets, chains, and skip 1 stitch 7 times. This will leave the last stitch remaining. This stitch is a double crochet made with 3 chains. Pick up both loops where we placed the stitch marker. Crochet the final double crochet. Thus completing the second row. Repeat the second row thereafter. Continue until the scarf reaches your desired length. We can work the same stitch pattern on corresponding stitches. Crochet the same stitches as the previous row, half double crochets into half double crochets, and so on, with chains separating them. After crocheting the scarf to the required length, slip stitch and cut the yarn. Hide all yarn tails. That's how this ripple lace scarf is completed. This piece has a quiet and soft texture. Hope that in your hands, these ripples and rounds can create a perfectly cozy warmth. That's all for this tutorial.